Google Lens not working or Google search by image not working problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. And then go to settings. Now go to apps or apps management option. Now find Google from the app list. Now tap on Google Apps and then go to permission option. Now allow camera and photos and videos permission. First allow camera permission and then allow photos and videos permission and then go to storage option. Now clear cache Google storage and then go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store and then search Google. Search for Google Apps. Now tap on Google and then update your Google Apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then normally restart your phone. After this process, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.